We are on 0-9 volume, found on P29, which can be found right here. There's where we should be. First thing is let's go ahead and define volume. This is the measure of space occupied by a solid. My terms is it's a 3D shape. 3D shape. Any 3D shape in which you see volume is the inside. It's the inside. So whenever we talk about volume, we're actually talking about cube 3 to the third, raised to the third. So let's go ahead and look at rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is a 3D rectangle. Here's what it looks like. It is a 3D rectangle. And the volume of a prism is length times width times height. Length, width, length, width, height. Cylinder. A cylinder is like a pop can. I like to go ahead and think of a pop can. Here's a cylinder. Since we have a circle, we're looking for our radius, and we need our height. So the volume of a cylinder would be pi r squared h. Example 1 says find the volume of each rectangular prism. So I know that this is a rectangular prism, and I know V equals LWH. V equals L times W times H. My length is 8. My width is 1. My height is 5. 8 times 1 times 5 is 40. And we are talking about centimeters. Since I have 1, 2, 3 centimeters, it's centimeters cubed to the third. Letter B. They give me a picture that looks like this. Mine's a little off. Sorry about that. It's hard to draw these 3D rectangles. We will get better and better the more that we do it. So there's my rectangle. And I have 2 feet, I have 4 feet, I have 3 feet. Here is my length. Here's my height. Here's my width. And to be honest, it doesn't even really matter which one you choose as long as you only choose one once. So my volume is length times width times height. So my length would be 4, my width would be 2, my height would be 3. So that'd be 8 times 3 is 24, and we are measuring in feet cubed. Example 2. Find the volume of the cylinder. So here's my cylinder. It's a little off. That's okay. They said that this is 3 and this is 6. So I need to use my volume to be pi r squared h. Pi is 3.14. My r is 3 squared. My height is 6. I have to do exponents first. That's why I taught you order of operations. 3 squared is 9. 3.14 times 9 times 6. So 3.14 times 9 times 6, that gives me 169.56. And let's go ahead and simplify that to the nearest tenth. 169.6, and we measured in inches cubed. So on P30, number 1, go ahead and pause the video and try number 1. On number 1, we need to find the volume of each rectangular prism given the information. So this is super easy because I know that the volume is length times width times height. So my length is 5, my width is 3, my height is 2. So 5 times 3 is 15 times 2 is 30. And we measured in centimeters, so it's cubed. Go ahead and try number 7 and pause the video. Number 7, I am given a rectangle that looks like this. Looks just like this. You don't even have to draw these if you don't want to, because I don't need the picture to understand what they're asking, or I don't need the picture on my paper. So this could be my height, this could be my length, this could be my width. So then I would have V equals length is 2 times width is 2 times height is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And we measured in meters cubed. Go ahead and try number 10, pause the video and try. On number 10, an aquarium. An aquarium is the shape of a rectangular prism. Okay? So an aquarium is 8 feet long, 5.5 feet deep. That would be my width. And then 5 feet wide. So deep is depth. So we would have length, width, height. So length, width, and height, I guess, could also be. So it doesn't matter which one's which. So then the volume would be 8 times 5 times 5.5. So we have 40 times 5.5, and I get 220. 220, and we measured in feet cubed. Number 16, pause the video and try. On number 16, it is a cylinder. I'm not going to draw the picture because I just need to plug in what I'm given. A cylinder is pi r squared h. Pi is 3.14. My radius is 12.2. And my height is 12.2. So I need to square my 12.2 first. 12.2 squared times 3.14 times 12.2. I get 5,516.352. Round to the nearest tenth, 5516.4, and this is measured in centimeters cubed. Number 17. On number 17, I'm given a cylinder. And I'm going to draw this one because I need to show you guys something on this cylinder. They have 14 all the way across. If they have 14 all the way across, I know that 14 has to be my diameter. So go ahead and pause the video and try. If 14 is my diameter, my height is 18, then my radius has to equal 7. We divide the diameter by 2 first. So now I can go ahead and do pi r squared h. So that's 3.14. My radius is 7 this time, squared. My h is 18. So 3.14, sorry, I have to do 7 squared is 49. 3.14 times 49 times 18 gives me 2,769.48, and we measured in inches cubed. And that is it.